this 19-inch Vizio TV. As soon as you turn it on, the backlight comes on, and that's it. Let's see what the problem is. Let's take it apart. To take it apart, you got one screw here, these two here, that one, and this screw. Once you get done with taking the screws out, flip it on its back, and you're going to start working your way from the bottom here. It's going to be loose, and you're just going to pry with a flat tip screwdriver around the edges, and you feel like you're about to break the thing. Don't jab it too far because there's metal and there's a screen, and you're just going to go work your way all the way around the TV. Kind of give you an example of what it would sound like for you not to freak out. Let me see if I can hold this. Be careful with your board. There's your plug-in board. From here, I'm just going to work this way. Oh, you get the idea. Once you get it enough, just flip it back on its face, and you'll be able just to take and pop the rest of it off without any problem. And you feed that down. And here's the back of your TV. It's your power board and your digital board, and this will be your probably your T-Con board, and that's your board for your remote. So I'm going to take a quick look at it and see what I can find, and I'll come back to the video. Well, I got good news. They said that the TV was involved with a storm, lightning storm, and I kind of suspected some of these power capacitors down here that was to feed the voltage here, but it's not that. As you can see, those two guys there are swelled up, and that would be an issue with your TV. So I'm going to find the parts for those and replace them, and I'll show you the TV works afterwards. To take the board off, you only need to take off these 4 screws here, disconnect this connector here, here, and here. Once you replace the part, make sure you put the polarity, which is has the line here, towards the line of the board. In the next clip, I'll show you the video the TV is working. We got audio, we got video, AV, cool, no signal, TV works. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.